Today I'll walk you through a comprehensive tutorial on using the Sol Trading Bot. If you haven't tried it yet, click the link in the video description to access the bot via Telegram. Once you've started the bot, you'll need to set up your wallet by generating a new one, if you haven't already. After depositing some Sol into your wallet, you can proceed to either buy Sol tokens or snipe them. To buy Sol tokens, simply paste the contract address, choose the amount, and execute the trade. For sniping, find coins with set launch times, ensure they're safe, and paste the contract address to set up the snipe. Once the countdown ends, the bot will attempt to buy the coin for you automatically. You can cancel a snipe if needed by clicking the cancel button. After trading, you can withdraw your earnings by transferring Sol to another wallet. To try out the Sol Trading Bot, click the link in the video description and start trading today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.